Welcome to this video where we will look at what transcription is, how much money you can make from it, where you can find work, and what you need to get started. Let's dive in. So, what is transcription? Transcription or transcribing is the process of listening to people speaking and writing down or typing their words. This is basically converting verbal communication to text. A person who transcribes is known as a transcriber or a transcriptionist, and the result of the transcription process is called a transcript. Therefore, as a job, transcription involves listening to a file, either a video file or an audio file, and typing out the words being spoken in the file. Who needs transcription services? In other words, as a transcriber, who is your customer? Some of the most common customers in the transcription business include 1. Law professionals such as lawyers who need written versions of witness testimonies, jury decisions, and any other spoken communication that is important in the work. 2. Students and learners in general who record lectures, seminars, and other learning sessions and later need the recordings to be converted to text so that they can easily revisit what they were taught. 3. Research professionals who collect the information by going out and talking to people, then recording the responses they get from people. Transcription of these recordings helps them to organize and easily revisit their research findings. What value is the customer looking for? A transcription customer highly values a transcript that 1. is accurate, 2. is grammatically correct and well punctuated, 3. is submitted on time. What do you need to get started as a transcriptionist? 1. You will need a computer with an internet connection, as most transcription work is done online. 2. A reasonable typing speed. 60 words per minute is a good typing speed to get started with transcription work. However, if you type slower than this, don't worry. Consistent typing practice will quickly increase your typing speed. 3. Good understanding of the English language. A good understanding of spelling and punctuation will take you far in the transcription business. Where can you find work? The majority of transcription jobs are available online on platforms such as rev.com, 3playmedia.com, scribby.com, waywithwords.net, gotranscript.com, and so many others. However, these platforms have some differences, which include 1. Some do not require previous experience with transcription, while others require previous transcription experience. For the platforms that do not require previous experience, they rely on a transcription test that they give you to determine if you are capable of doing the job, which is perfect for beginners. 2. Some hire transcribers from all over the world, while some hire transcribers from specific countries. This information will often be available on the platform. How much money can you make? Transcribers are paid per audio minute transcribed. Pay typically ranges from $0.3 to $1.7 per audio minute transcribed. Transcribers are often able to transcribe up to 10 hours of audio per week, which translates to earnings of anywhere between $180 to $1,020 per week. What are the pros and cons of transcription? The pros of transcription include 1. You get to choose the projects you would like to work on. 2. You get to plan your work in terms of when you would like to work and where you would like to work from. The cons of transcription include 1. Finding work, especially when you're starting out, takes considerable time and effort. 2. You are responsible for handling areas of your work that are not related to transcription, such as bookkeeping and filing taxes. Some tips for you as you start transcription. 1. Take time to practice and prepare for transcription tests. Almost all platforms that give transcription jobs have a transcription test that you have to pass before being accepted for the job. 2. Work to increase your typing speed. The faster and more accurately you're able to type, the more work you're able to do within a given period of time, which means you earn more money over that period of time. If you have found value in this video, consider liking this video, subscribing to this channel, and hitting the notification bell to be updated every time we post new content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.